Hello everyone. Today market is closed for 19th August. We will see the forecast for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 20th August. Let's start with Nifty. For tomorrow, the pivot is 24,957 for the day. Let's quickly see it. Day before yesterday, it was a big gap up, and today the market has been consolidated around the same range. But Nifty did not manage to close above 25,000, but it touched 2525 and it has closed below 24,980. Having said that, let's see what is the entry and exit points for buy and sell. For sell, if the price crossed down to close below 24,840 in 30 minutes candle, if you go to 30 minutes candle, in this 30 minutes candle, if it cross below 24,840, then you enter for sell target for 24,775. That means in this above range, I recommend not to go for any sell positions. The reason is because if you see here, there are a lot of buyers support around this area. That is why I recommend to go for sell only below 24,840. If you see here, this was the today's and previous day low till 24,870. So I wanted the price to break below today's and yesterday's low, and also the support at 24,840 level to come down. So once the price breaks below 24,840 in 30 minutes candle, then you can go for sell target for 24,775. This is almost close to 65 points. Okay, for the second target, if the price close below 24,770 in 1 hour candle, 24,775, you need to exit for your first target and then wait for 1 hour candle to close below 24,770. Then the target will be 24,635. Okay, here again it is around 65 points. If you go to 1 hour candle, in 1 hour candle, if the price close below 24,770, then the target is 24,635. What is 24,635? 24,635 was the price gap formed day before yesterday. You see here, this is the price gap formed day before yesterday. So if the price drops below 24,770, you can take the target for 24,635. The price gap is till yes, 24,635. For the buy side, I would recommend to wait to break the high of today and yesterday. It is 25,025. Once the price stays above 25,025 in 30 minutes candle, then go for target 1 for 25,140. Okay, but and the price after reaching 25,140, it can also extend to 25,230, but I have given it in extension. The reason is because between 25,140 to 25,230, the price can drop below and close below 25,140. So between this range, it can be risky. I could not predict at what point of time there will be a reversal. That is why the safe target is 25,140, but it can reach up to 25,230. You see here, there are seller support till 25,230. So at any point of this price range, it can reverse back. If you see the daily time frame, the resistance is at 25,145. So price can go above 25,145 around the 25,230, and it can give a big wick, and there can be a pushback, and the price can tomorrow close below 25,140. This is very important to remember. Let me pull this. So for the buy target, the first target is 25,140 to be a safe exit, and it can extend till it can rise till 25,230, and it can give a pullback and close below tomorrow 25,140. So this is for Nifty. Let's quickly go for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it is the same. Day before yesterday on 18th, there was a big gap up, and today it was almost consolidating within this range. Okay, and today the market closed as 55,865. Let's see what is the forecast for tomorrow for Bank Nifty. Tomorrow's pivot is 55,813. 55,813 is tomorrow's pivot. As long as price is running above the pivot, the sentiment is Bank Nifty is moving upward. If it is below the pivot, then the sentiment is Bank Nifty is moving in downward side. Okay, I have given a very simple target for sell. If the price cross down and sustains below 55,657, 55,657 is almost 200 points down, and in 30 minutes candle, then enter a target for 55,555. This is a 100 points target, but the entry is coming only below 55,657. The reason is because there are a lot of buyer support for Bank Nifty around this range. That is why I recommend to enter below 55,657. Okay, once it breaks 55,657, then you go for a target for 55,555. So this can be a sure shot target, because the same target almost was given yesterday also. Okay, since it was trading upward, so this entry point was not come for today. So tomorrow, if the price cross below and closes below 657, so you can confidently take this 100 points. Let's see the buy target for Bank Nifty. For buy target, if the price cross up and sustains above 55,970 in 15 minutes candle, then buy for target 15600. That means 56,970 is today's high. 56,966 it is today's high. So if the tomorrow 15 minutes candle closes above this point, then you go for an entry for target 5600. It's a safe target and safe exit. Okay. And if the price cross up and sustain above 56,156, that means once the seller zone is crossed, if the candle is closing above the seller zone 56,156 in 15 minutes candle, then you can go for second target 56,200. Okay, guys, please note down these points. If you see the trend line, Bank Nifty has already formed higher high. So there is a chance Bank Nifty can continue and touch 56,200 and start coming down. Or otherwise, it can also break here and it can touch 55,555 and it can also move from here. Okay, note down this entry and exit point, guys. All the best for tomorrow's trade. See you tomorrow. Bye.